Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change password on Delta Exchange app. The Delta Exchange app allows users to trade digital assets such as Bitcoin, Ethereum directly from their smartphone for security reasons. It is important to regularly update your account password. Changing a password helps protect your trading account, funds and personal information from unauthorized access. The process can be completed easily through the account setting inside the Delta Exchange app. So first you need to open the Delta Exchange app on a device. And you can open with the authentication of your Face ID or you can log in. In the top right corner, we can find this small account icon. Select there. Under this account, select security just below the refer and earn. Over here, we can find to this manage password. Select to this manage password beside it. And over here it says withdrawals will be disabled for 24 hours after you make a password. So simply tap on the continue. So over here what you have to do is you need to type down your old password, and after that you can tap on the update and it will automatically update to your new password. And that is it. This is how you can change password on Delta Exchange app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.